Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Aaliyah and today I'm excited to introduce you to a new platform that's revolutionizing the way car owners and service providers interact. It's called QuickMechs and it's a game changer for anyone, whether you own a car or are a service provider in the industry. QuickMechs is revolutionary. It's a new application that creates an ecosystem for car owners and service providers. It connects owners with the best service providers in their area, regardless of the car type or need. With QuickMechs, car owners can easily find and book appointments with trusted service providers, while our vetted providers can showcase their expertise and gain new business. Car owners can easily search for the services they need, view reviews and ratings from other owners, and even book appointments online. Service providers, on the other hand, can create a profile on the platform, showcase their expertise, and gain new loyal customers in their area with our built-in booking and marketing tools. QuickMechs really is the perfect solution and is ideal for anyone in the service industry, whether you are a mechanic, a body shop, a tire shop, a towing service, or even detailers. With QuickMechs, the hassle of finding your go-to car expert is transformed into a seamless, user-friendly experience. No more struggling to find the right shop for your particular car, no more worrying about the quality of service. Everything is taken care of thanks to QuickMechs. That's all for today's introduction, and we hope that you found this video informative and exciting. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about QuickMechs and the automotive industry. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.